This is a tutorial for a section of the Mad King called Drop. This is the main big section. So first you go like this. Then it goes here. Then how to seesaw. Opposite arm back as usual. Gallop forward towards your tail. Adjust arms, inside turn, land here, in turn in position. Little plie, jump, land turned out, pirouette, and land here. Now you're gonna go cabriole, back to here, gallop, step, step. Let's do that from over here. So you'll be here. You're gonna go gallop, step, step. Pirate pose. Then you'll go step, this arm comes up, open across the back, gallop, step, step. Right there, awesome play, seesaw, throw it back, grab them on, gallop, jeté, switch weight. Sorry, that's just a step, step, kick, land, right here, let's do that part again. Land your tortoise right here. Step, kick, land. Take it to the side. Don't run, jump, and layer.